Alright guys, in this lecture series, I want to talk about adding pattern to roof. Now, if you look at our roof, now by default, or I don't know what Revit version you're making use of, if you do your roof, at the end of the day, if you check it in the site view, this is how you're going to see it. So there's no pattern attached to it. So what we'll do is this. I'll select the roof. Now, if you are doing real-time drawing, it is advisable you come to this point and you duplicate. Okay, now if you're just following to practice just like me, there's no point duplicating. Now it is also to be noted that this class is for those who are already making use of Revit. I'll call it advanced class. All right, so let's move forward without further ado. So I'm going to select edit. So if you check this point here, what you have is default roof. So it is because of the default roof that is why you're not seeing any pattern. Okay, so that is under the structure. So if I select it, I'll look for roof. I'll just click and just type arrow, so it takes me to where I have roof first. So I'll select this roofing EPD something. Now I'll come to graphics. Now under graphics, I'll look for a pattern. Okay, if what you have here, that is if you've selected roof before but it is not showing, if it is none, then you click on this point, then you look for different pattern which you like to add. So in my own case, I'll be adding this vertical 1.5 mm and I'll say okay. Now I haven't done that. I'll click on OK. Then I'll click on OK. I'll make sure I apply everything. Then if you check, it looks good, but not how I would want it to be. Now if you look at the pattern, this side is falling to this side, which is okay. Then this side is falling to is also falling to, everything is just coming 90 degrees, which is not what I want. Now I'm going to be showing you how you're going to do it in such a way that you would want this point to fall to this angle. All right, then this point will fall to this angle. Now before I go further, I want to give a shout out to the student that asked the question that brought about me doing this video. In the name of SK Ajayi, is one of my students in my WhatsApp group for mentees where I mentor new students. Now if you want to be in that WhatsApp group, it is free. You can just inbox me. I'll add you to the WhatsApp group. It is not just enough for you to get my training video. Use the video, teach yourself. If you have issues, you can ask questions in that group. It will help to motivate others who already got the video and they are not doing anything. They just keep it in their system. Now what you're going to do is, I'm going to go back to here. After I'll select it, then I'll go back to edit. Now if you watch, let me close up this stuff so you see what I'm talking about. So if you observe this point, the way this is okay, but this side is supposed to be falling towards this angle. So what you do is that you go back to edit, then I'll come back here. I'll come back to this. I'll make sure that you're in this graphics view. Then under this surface pattern here, I'll click on this pattern. Now under this place, now what you do, so long as you're selecting the first pattern which you have used, which is vertical, then just create a new one. Now Revit is very clever. Sorry, I'll go back. You just select a model here. Okay, select model. You know it was on drafting. Make sure you select model. Then you say new. Then change this line angle to 90 degrees. Okay, then change this to maybe, let's say 150, either 150 or 200. Okay, either of them would work. Now that's all you're going to change. Then say okay. Once you do that, then you say okay, then say okay here. Now if you say okay here, now watch what will happen. Then apply. So if you look at it now, you'll find out that it has aligned the way it is supposed to be. So guys, this is how to do your roof pattern such that the pattern will align to the angle it is supposed to align to. All right, guy, do well to like this video, share your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can order for your full video tutorial on Revit architecture, Revit interior, and other tutorials. You can just hit me up.